Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to share phone contact on Android. Last week we went over how to share text messages on Android. This week I'm going to show you how to share those contacts you have in your phone with someone else. It's really easy and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Before we get going, hit the like on this video, it really helps our channel. Also hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every week. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this on my Motorola Edge Android phone, and then I'll show you how to do it on my wife's Samsung Galaxy S22. They're a little different, so I want to show both so you guys know how to do it on both systems. So these are both Android devices, so you'll learn from that. Alright, let's get started. So let's get out of my article. Actually, remind you guys, we will have a link down below for this article. I always write the article first, so I make sure to do a video afterwards. So we'll then check it. Every Thursday I put out a video, so keep checking back. Okay, let's get to this. So we're going to go out here. We don't need that screen open. And then this is my Motorola Edge Android phone, if I can speak today. And we're going to go down. When I'm on my phone, I look down here where I have my little phone icon. I'm going to tap on my phone icon, and it brings up my phone app. And then what you want to do is look to the top left and tap on the three lines, the menu lines at the top, and this gives you this menu. And on this menu you want to tap on contacts, that one at the very top. So we're going to tap contacts. Once contacts open, which contact this is the contacts you want to share. So whose contact do you want to share? So I'm just going to pick the very top one. So I'm going to tap on their name, pulls up their contact information. You're going to scroll up until you find this option, share contact. Tap on that, and it gives you this down below, and it's asking, do you want to share this information? And you say choose detail to share. You can you don't have to. So I'm sharing all of it. So we're going to tap share right here at the bottom, the button, and then once that's it, opens up this little menu down at the bottom where you can share it lots of ways, like on Gmail, on my Marco Polo. Didn't know you could do that. Chat GPT, go figure. But I'm going to do it under messages to give you an example. So I'm going to tap on messages, and then you can choose the person you want to send it to in your text messages. So I'm going to send it to my wife, and you can select as many as you want. But once you do that, just tap the next button down here, and you're going to see it gives you the contact card, and you're going to send that to the person, and when they get it, they can actually add it to their contacts. So it's that easy to do it on a Motorola Edge Android phone. Now I'm going to switch over to my wife's Samsung Galaxy S22 phone, and I'll show you how to do it on there. Okay, now we're on my wife's Samsung Galaxy S22 phone, and I'm going to show you how to do it on here. So what you want to do when you're on your Samsung phone, you're going to go down to your contacts icon, which is right down here for my wife, the little person in the corner at the bottom right. Tap on that. That's your contacts. It pulls up your contact list. You just need to get to your contacts list. Then you want to choose the person you want to share their contact. So I want to choose this person to share their contact, and it's going to pull up all their information. Very simple. But what you're looking for, you can look to the bottom, and you're looking for this little bottom menu thing. You're looking for share right there. The share icon's right there. Tap on that. And then there's a vCard file, VCF, or text. My wife uses the vCard file. That's what I'm going to show you. That's just sending the whole contact. So we're going to tap on that one. And then you get, this is cool about the Samsung, they let you select what you can want to send. So you can uncheck boxes if you don't want to send all the information. It's that simple. Then once you check the information you want to send, you tap the done button down, or done link down here at the bottom. And then what you do is it gives you this little menu like we did on the Motorola. And you're going to choose, obviously for this, I'm going to choose messages. You can choose the other things if you want, but I'm going to do messages. And then it's going to pull up the person you want to share it with. So pick the person in this area who you want to share it with. So you can scroll through it. You can search at the top to find the person you want to share it with. But I'm just going to share it with myself. So this is my wife's phone. You tap the little circle, and you can choose multiple people, like I said before. And then you want to hit the next down here at the bottom right. And then it's going to give you that card again, like I told you, the contact information. You send that over to them. They can click it, and then they can add it to their contacts. It's really that easy to share phone contacts on Android devices, both on Motorola and on Samsung. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.